Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the Photo Clear app and importing the image you want to fix. Choose the highest source resolution available. Once done, enable Auto Enhance to let the app analyze noise and detail, then switch to manual mode to take control. You should immediately check the exposure and white balance sliders so they're close to neutral. This prevents the app from over-sharpening artifacts. Make sure to save a copy before proceeding so you can compare results and revert if needed. You now refine the image. Increase sharpness gradually, starting at about 20 to 30% because aggressive values create halos. Once that's set, tackle noise with the luminance slider first and the color slider second. Reduce color speckling without smudging detail. Use masking or brush tools to apply enhancements only to textured areas like eyes or fabric and protect skies or skin. As you work, zoom to 100% to check fine detail. Make subtle adjustments and avoid one-size-fits-all. You finish by exporting at the app's maximum quality setting and compare the fixed photo to the original to confirm improvements. If you see halos around edges, reduce sharpness a bit and expand the masking so flat areas remain untouched. Repeated micro-adjustments work better than a single large change. If skin becomes blotchy after noise reduction, apply selective smoothing only to those areas or back off the luminance noise slider. Remember to keep an editable copy so you can re-edit if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.